Hello everyone, if you are new here, I am Chandrika, and if you are my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. Today I am so excited because today I am creating this Sai Pallavi inspired makeup look. Yep, here it is. Yes, today I am going to create this look, and if you are from South India, you probably know her, and if you are from Telugu states, you know this song called Saranga Dariya. So I am going to create her makeup look in that song. I love her makeup looks. She looks so natural and she uses very simple makeup looks. Everybody can easily try those makeup looks. They are so simple, they are so natural, and they are so beautiful. So if you are a fan of her, let me know in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump into the video. So I don't have anything on my face. I just scrubbed my face. So let's start with the skincare. I'm using this Good Vibes rose water. I use this as a toner. No, actually it is a toner. So I'm just spraying it. I forgot to close my mouth. I accidentally opened it. I should not open my mouth. Okay, I'm just patting it and neck. Let me wear my bangles. Okay, now I'm using this biotic moisturizer. Taking some moisturizer on my hand and activating the product. Just placing it and applying. Next, for moisturizing my lips, I'm using this Biotic Bio Lip Balm and applying it on my lips. Now let's move on to the eyebrows. If you observe the image here, her eyebrows are natural. They are not very thick, they are not very thin, they are medium and they are so natural. But my eyebrows are very thick and they are lengthy. I'm not going to define my eyebrows. I'll just adjust my eyebrows so that they look more natural. I forgot my eyebrow brush. Wait. Yep, I'm back with my eyebrow brushes. So I'm taking this shade from Swiss Beauty palette. Next, I'm taking this Blue Heaven primer and concentrating on my T-zone and just okay. Spread your primer all over your face and neck. Next, I'm applying this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Taking some foundation on my hand and activating it and dotting it. Oh no. Then I'm blending my foundation using this damn beauty blender. Don't touch your eyebrows. Okay, I'm done blending my foundation all over my face and neck. Now we are going to set. No, before setting your foundation, you have to apply a concealer. So I'm using this Lotus Concealer Eyes. Okay, I'm just blending my concealer. So well. This concealer blends so well. It's time to set your foundation and concealer. So I'm taking this Lakme Absolute Compact Powder and I'm setting my face. Now I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlight. I recently ordered it from Amazon, and if you haven't watched my Amazon haul video, yep, this video, the link is in iCards and description. You can watch it. You have this contour shade as well. So, wow, that is so pigmented. Now I'm now I'm contouring my jawline. I don't really need to contour my forehead because my forehead is very small. Now it's time to contour my nose. Her nose is very sharp and mine is not so sharp. My sharp nose. What next? Guess what? Yes, blush. I used this contour shade to contour my cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. Now I am using this blush on. The only thing that is on her face is blush. Let's see. The only thing on her face that looks her nice and natural is her blush. But it looks so nice on her. Blushy. She really had that blushy face. I mean, a lot of blush. Whenever you're applying a blush, always take very less amount. Okay, I think she had a blush on her chin. She didn't have any eye makeup, so I'm not going to do my eye makeup. I'm just curling my lashes and I'm just applying mascara. Oh, now I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl non-waterproof mascara, easy wash mascara. This is not a waterproof one, and if you watch my Amazon haul video, you will know about it. And I'm not using more. Oh no, I'm just using very less mascara. Whenever I apply mascara, I messed it up. Guys, can you see the difference? See, this is really curly and this is so nice. Look at the change. Generally I apply mascara like this. Once I'm done applying it, I'll give another coat, but today I don't think I have to give another coat because her eyelashes look so natural. Very less product on my lower lashes. I think I'm done with my makeup. I just have to apply some lipstick. I'm cleaning my lips. I'm taking a pink lipstick and with the help of my hand I'm just patting it on my lips because I don't think she used a heavy lipstick or something. The problem is I cannot look at the image and I just do my makeup because I'm shooting this makeup video with my phone and the image which I saved is in my phone. So now I'm taking this black shade from Swiss Beauty palette. I think my eye looks so dull. I'm just applying it very near to my lash line. Well, we are done. So yeah, that's it. This is how I created this makeup look. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and comment on your thoughts and suggestions. I would love to answer them. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.